Lead generation for travel business. And that's today's topic for this video. So I'm Larry Porter, back at you once again. Good afternoon, everybody. So today we're going to talk about lead generation for your travel business. So you do not want to miss this. We'll be right back. All right, guys, welcome back. Now, once you understand marketing, how to generate leads, okay, you can pretty much dominate any niche. One of the primary methods that we use for generating leads for our business is YouTube, okay? Now, a couple tips, a couple things you're going to need in order to generate leads on YouTube. There's so many ways that you can build your travel business online, and YouTube happened to be one of ours. So tip number one, here's what you need. You need a landing page, or should I say a capture page. You need to have some type of capture page that has a form on it for your prospects to fill out, okay? And in exchange for more valuable information, these prospects will land on your landing page and opt in, okay, in exchange for that free value. It can be an ebook, a free video. What we do, we offer a free video, which most likely is our company presentation. And that's something that you can do, and it generates leads around the clock. So that's one thing about YouTube. You can generate leads around the clock, but you must have a landing page form where people can fill out their name, email, phone number, or etc. Whatever information you want to collect, you want to have this on your landing page. We preferably just use email. Tip number two, the next thing you're going to need is a autoresponder. Okay, so after a lead opts into your landing page, you need to have some type of follow-up process and call every lead if you want to, but it's time consuming. You can email every lead that comes in that you want to, but that's time consuming. However, if you have an autoresponder to automate the follow-up process and send out a series of automated emails every time a subscriber opts into that landing page form, okay, from seeing one of your YouTube videos, they will get a follow-up email. And you can schedule these series of emails out by day. You can put them in sequence. You can have one go out as soon as they opt in, and then have another one go out maybe 2 days later, then 3 days later, then 4. You know, you get the picture. All right, number 3. Here's my favorite. Now, I know what you're thinking. Okay, how am I going to get leads to get to my landing page form? Okay, and go through the actual process. Okay. So this is what I like to do. You need to learn how to rank YouTube videos for specific keywords that people are actually typing in. So for example, if people are typing in how to join, or should I say how to start a travel business, that keyword, that specific keyword right there will tell you alone that, hey, this is my target customer. This is a targeted prospect. These people actually want to join. Okay. These people want to start a travel business. So you need to learn how to do keyword research. Okay. And for example, let's say you got a good keyword such as how to start my travel business online. Okay. You take that keyword and you optimize your videos with that specific keyword. You put it in the title. You put it in the description of your YouTube video. You put it in the tags. Also upload it with the file name. Okay. You need to have the file name the keyword when you upload it prior to everything else. So make sure that you put that keyword in the file name. So this is how you optimize a video. Now, once it's optimized, you upload it. Now it's optimized to a point where YouTube can identify what your video is about. Okay. If YouTube see that keyword in your title, your description, your tags, obviously it's telling you that, okay, this video is about how to start a travel business online. And it will rank, your YouTube video. So when a person types that in and they see your YouTube video, guess what? They click on it, they watch it, and you need to have a call to action in your video. While you're giving value in your video, make sure you tell people to click the link to learn more information about how to start a travel business online. And from there, people will land on your landing page offer, okay? Then from there, they'll go to your autoresponder and they get a series of email follow-ups. So all you got to do is keep driving traffic, uploading YouTube videos and driving traffic to your landing page offer and your email autoresponder, and it'll close your leads for you. So guys, that's my time. I hope this makes sense. That's a couple things I'm putting together for our team here, how to generate leads using YouTube. Are you thinking about joining a travel business and you want to learn how to market without, pitching to your friends and families and cold calling strangers and things like that? So feel free to look at the presentation below by clicking the link below. I have more information on the other side that can explain to you about how to get started as a travel agent, and also how you can learn more about the travel business industry. Okay, so that's my time. Click that link below to watch a free presentation, how to join the travel business. And we'll be working together, if possibly soon, and we can show you how to generate leads on YouTube. All right, Larry Porter signing off. Be blessed and happy marketing. Bye-bye.